This is the definitive guide to resolving the WAN84 error in Valorant, a persistent issue causing game disconnections. After personally experiencing and thoroughly testing numerous solutions, I've identified several effective methods that restore stable gameplay, and I'm here to share them with you. The WAN84 error typically stems from communication disruptions between your game client and the Valorant servers, often due to network instability, corrupted game files, or conflicting software. Method 1 addresses these fundamental areas by starting with simple restarts of the game and your PC, ensuring a clean slate. It then moves to checking your internet connection, updating crucial network drivers that facilitate data transfer, and flushing the DNS cache to clear outdated network information. A network reset and running Valorant as an administrator further ensure the game has the necessary permissions and a clean network environment to operate. Method 2 delves into game file integrity, verifying that no vital components are missing or corrupted, and ensuring the game client is up to date. Disabling VPNs, which can interfere with direct server connections, and temporarily disabling your firewall to rule it out as a blocking agent, are also key. If these don't resolve it, reinstallation becomes a more drastic but often effective step. Method 3 focuses on client-side issues and system configurations. Clearing the Valorant cache removes temporary data that might be causing conflicts. Updating graphics drivers, while seemingly unrelated, can sometimes resolve underlying system stability issues that indirectly impact network performance. Checking system date and time ensures accurate synchronization with game servers. Adjusting in-game settings, disabling performance training overlays, and closing unnecessary background applications reduce system load, allowing Valorant to function optimally. Method 4 looks at your local network hardware and advanced configurations. Checking router firmware ensures your gateway is operating with the latest stable code. Using a wired Ethernet connection eliminates Wi-Fi interference, providing a more stable link. Scanning for malware is critical as malicious software can disrupt network traffic. Adjusting power settings can prevent your system from throttling network performance. Finally, fine-tuning firewall rules and reinstalling your network adapter provide deeper system-level network troubleshooting to ensure a robust connection to Valorant servers.